Hi everyone, welcome to Savi's Palette. Quickly, I want to show you how to make some nice ghee. Here I have pure Irish butter from Kerrygold. This is my all-time favorite butter to use to make ghee, but you can use any type of butter. It has to be unsalted, and if you have access to this, please use this. I will show you how amazing the ghee comes out. So now it's fully melted and it's starting to boil. Bring the heat to medium and let it slowly boil. Okay. So now it's starting to bubble up and you have to keep stirring in the middle like this. And you're going to get a thin layer forming on top, and when the layer turns slightly brown, we'll turn off the heat. See, in the corners here, you can see a nice kind of a layer of this forming. You're almost done. A couple minutes. So now you see the foam forming. You see the browning on the edges. See the brown? So our ghee is ready, and now we're going to turn it off. Color is nice and golden. We need to get this color. Alright, check out the ghee. It's partially solidified, and see how nice and golden color it is, and check out the graininess of this ghee. This is how it should be. So thank you for watching Savi's Palette. Please like and share.